viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hub. In today's video, it's all about, as you can see behind me here, getting rid of grass. You know what I mean? Do you ever go on the plantation and you cover with grass? It's an easy way to get rid of grass, alright? So right now, to get rid of grass out of your plantation, in the description here, you can go and click on eBay and see tons of chemical you can use to get rid of your grass out of your plantation, out of your garden, out of anywhere, out of your farm, whatever you do, and grass is giving you a problem. All right, stick and stay to see what's coming.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
As you can see, my viewers, here is somewhere I used to walk freely in my slippers and in my socks. But right now, it's all about grass is everywhere. I have to fight my way through. Yeah? So right about now, as you can see, I have some drums here. I have some tank over here. So you know, here was a place where we used to do all the work before, get inside the greenhouse. Yeah, and as you can see, everywhere is grass up. Have something like this and you want to get rid of all these grass? Very easy and simple. Trust me, it's not an easy task. Grass is everywhere. Tall as they are, you can get rid of them by just one spray. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, all here full of grass. All around the greenhouse, full of grass. And trust me, in a couple days time, everything is gonna burn right down. And as you can see, I'm gonna introduce you to a spray that we use here. Paraquat Super, yeah. As you can see, this is one of the spray that we use here. We use Glamazone also, but trust me, the link is in description. You can check it out, yeah. And there's a lot more, very affordable. You know what I mean? To get rid of all this grass out of your plantation. When you click the link in my description, you can see all of the chemicals are there, yeah. And everyone is work different. We have chemical. Chemical is there that when you spray the grass, it burns same time. Yeah, just like the paraquat. When you spray the grass with it, the grass quail started to dry same time. You have spray that when you use it, it takes couple days before it started to dry down. So you can choose, and all of them have them direction where how to use. Yeah, here in Jamaica, when we're spraying, we use this is a sachet scan. We use a sachet scan here to do the measurement. Yeah, the spray pan full of water, 1 1/4 of this can here, the sachet scan, we throw inside that. And most of the time we tip a little bleach in it, a little fab, yeah, to get it work a little faster. So that's the way how we measure our chemical here. But yes, as I said before, some of the chemical that we use here, it dry the grass same time, and some it take a time. You have chemical there where you can use in between the plants and it don't hurt the plant. You know what I mean? So you can go on eBay, all the direction are there how to use the chemicals. Alright? So you can check out the link in my description to see, and you can get rid of all the grass out of your plantation. When you weed the grass, it take by the next day the grass start to grow back. You know what I mean? So yeah, easy and simple to just burn it. You have chemical that burn from the leaf to the root, and you have chemical that burn from the root down into the earth, so it gets rid of the grass completely. My description, check out the link in my description to see which one you mostly is your favorite or which one you like to use. Yeah, you can read to see how it used and so forth before you buy it. You know what I mean? Get rid of all the grass out of the plantation. It's time to plant some vegetables, get the thing up and running, get the farm alive and kicking. It's all about Jamaican farmers, so don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Saying, stick and stay, my people. Here inside the greenhouse, we don't spray in between rows to get rid of grass. Yeah, we manually weed to get rid of the grass out of here. Only time we use chemical and peppers is like when something is eating the peppers or we need a change, you know, like pepper is not growing that fast and blossom is not coming out enough, you know. That's when we use spray inside here, but we don't spray to get rid of grass inside the greenhouse. All right. And as you can see here, my viewers, there's a pumpkin here, but as you notice, there's a lot of grass around it. The same guy caught here, but you have to keep your hand low with the spray pan, spray it around to get rid of all the grass around it. Yeah, and it don't hurt the pumpkin. Keep your hand on a low scale, yeah, and you spray around it. And you don't hurt the pumpkin, but you get rid of all the grass. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So you see it on Jamaican Farmers Hut, alright? So in my description, there are a lot of links towards eBay for chemical to get rid of your grass. Alright? And last but not least, after using all your chemicals, yeah, you bag them, you put them aside, and you burn. Alright? Yes, that's how we do it here. You don't throw it all around the place, you know what I mean? There's a link in my description here where you can go on eBay and there's a lot of affordable chemical you can use to get rid of your grasses. So my viewers and my subscribers, don't forget the neem oil is there also. The neem oil, you can spray the plant with neem oil to get rid of all the worms and the bug, yeah, organically. All right, everything is in the link is in the description. All right, so my viewers and my subscribers, if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick and I'm gonna be out for now. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.